It gives me a great pleasure to discuss about artificial intelligence. So, to discuss about artificial intelligence, it is a must that we should know neural networks. So, what is a neural network? So, neural network is, suppose I have an input. The input is processed by means of a processing element and you will get an output. So, input is processed by means of processing element and you will get an output. So, the output will be a winner based on the inputs, weightage of the inputs. This is called a neural network. Whereas, what is a DSP? You have an input and you process the input, you get the output with a reduction in the noise. So, because noise plays a vital role in signal and image applications, if you want to transfer an image, if you want to transfer a signal, noise plays a vital role. So, to reduce the noise, because there are different types of noises widely used. So, similarly, here in neural networks, we are going to reduce the error. Suppose I have an output, a best output, it may be a best output. So, I have to normalize that error to the best. For example, if I get 0.15, so I can reduce it to 0.13. So, that is called a normalized error. So, how best you research and do and reduce the error is called the neural network. So, here we are going to tell whether it is 0 or 1. Whereas, there is another system is called fuzzy. So, what is a fuzzy? Fuzzy varies from 0 to 1. Whereas, a neural network, it can be only 0 or 1. Whereas in fuzzy system, it should be 0 to 1. So, that is sometimes neuro-fuzzy. So, we have to use both neural and fuzzy to get an output. So, based on this, we will solve the artificial intelligence problem, that is machine learning systems. So, there are two types of systems widely used, and we have studied in other signal processing and other systems. There are two types of system. One is open loop system and another one is closed loop system. Similarly, here in neural network, there are two types of systems. One is supervised system and another one is unsupervised system. Supervised system, what is a supervised system? You get the output based on the supervision, based on the experience, based on the learning, you get the best output. Whereas an unsupervised, you don't know what will be the output. So you get lot of outputs and based on your decision, you can select this may be the best and that may be the best. For example, my student wants to do, after his completion of 4th year degree, he wants to go for an IT based company. So he has to prepare accordingly to get that output. Suppose we don't know whether he will get a job in IT. Sometimes he may get in a core company also, sometimes he may go for a lecture also. So this is called unsupervised. So you may get, based on the supervisations, you may get the best output. But supervised network, suppose I train a student to get the 100 marks, I have to properly train him to get the 100 marks. So if the training is pakka, he will get the 100 marks. That is called supervised system. Whereas in a fuzzy logic, that is different. So fuzzy logic is, suppose if I ask whether rain will come today, rain may come or may not come. So it varies from 0 to 1. So sometimes it is okay or sometimes it is not okay. Suppose what is the color of the apple? Immediately Indians will think, their mindset will be like that, it should be red. But it not be a case for Dutch people. So here if we go and ask them what is the color of an apple, immediately they will think green. So people to people it may vary. That is called fuzzy logic. So first, before going into this subject, we should thoroughly know what is a general system, what is a digital signal processing system, what is a neural network system, what is a fuzzy system, and what is a normalized system. So in neural networks, you cannot get a global output. You can get only a local output. That is called local minima. So you cannot get the best output. So suppose if you want to go reach a global minima, then you have to go for a genetic algorithm to get the best output. So next series of lectures we in depth will discuss about these systems. Thank you.